is up, guys? It is Death1269 here, and welcome to Haunted Basement Part 2. Alright, let's get to it. Hey. You already know everybody else. Nightmare Ghost. Steve Clay. You don't know me. You don't know.
Wait,
yeah, you do.
It's
from
not.
Haunted Basement Part 2. Remember Part 1?
Oh, that was my other.
Wait, I just. Alright, but we just need. We already know our original channel.
I
and my channel Andrew Costanero, so she can.
Steve can play, alright? We don't have to say anything in the description.
Okay, we're gonna pause it just in case the teacher finds it on my phone. So,
alright, come on.
We have to be careful. Shut up. Be careful, guys. Okay. This one we're actually recording because we want you guys to see. We see him. Oh my god, I'm scared. Steve, shut up. It's not haunted, but we're just whispering because my throat hurts right now. I'm sorry, I'm just talking about. Shh. Dude, none of us made that sound. No one made that sound. Everybody was like holding on to the. What made that sound?
Dude,
What
what the hell was that?
What was that? What was
I
that?
know what that was.
If you guys didn't hear that, it was loud.
A pebble just like moved.
Yeah, like a pencil.
Because I never slipped on anything or I never kicked anything.
Dude.
We did it.
And then, dude, the flash couldn't go on.
The flash wouldn't work when we went there.
No, it's because the flash doesn't turn on when you're recording. You could have done it before.
Sure, we did it last time.
Alright, well. Oh my gosh, guys, it scared me.
We're kind of scared. Let's make a long video.
Okay, I don't know what else to do, but we'll see you guys in a bit. Wow, jeez.